Hi, fellas, Ben back again on another one. This is going to be troubleshooting and solutions. So, this recent trip to Bangalore and Yelagiri and back, and I started developing issues with the joystick. I mean, the problem is when you use the joystick, nothing really happens. You guys can, if you watch, if I move to the left, that should come up. Move to the bottom, these things should happen. Move to the top, yeah. When I move to the top, this comes up. Appearance and trip. I mean, what I'm trying to say is while and then when you press the home button, that should go away. Exactly. So yeah, move to the top. These should come up. And when you press on the home button, that should go away. And if you move to the left and start scrolling, you should be able to see all that. Any which way. So if this stops working, if this stopped working for me, not once, twice, on this trip as well. The first time was on the first trip with Arun. This time again, issues with the joystick. So the only solution and the best solution for that is open this damn thing up, and I went in with this. So this helps. This goes a long way in curing your joystick problems. Open this up, give it a nice shot, clean it up, and that should do it. Or if this doesn't help, you'll see the cleaner dripping. And if this doesn't help, then the next thing to do is to open up the tank. These wires, they lead to a coupler right around here. There's a coupler into which this particular wire goes. The joystick and everything runs to that coupler. Remove that coupler, one shot of electrical spray, and let it dry for some time. Put things back together, and there you go. Your problem will be solved. This will start working. So yeah, just saying. So this is a problem. This is a problem with the Himalayan 450. Something that has been observed across the platforms. Everybody has had this issue at one point of time or another. It's not the problem with the housing as such. It's a slightly weak design. So the solution is this: electrical spray from Airol or electrical spray from whatever brand you choose to use. This is the cheapest that I could get my hands on. So one tiny squirt, one shot should do it. If that doesn't do it, clean the coupler underneath the tank where this wire runs to. This wire, this fella, this big bunch goes to a coupler. Remove that coupler, socket, and spray on both ends. Clean things up, put them back together. That should work. And yeah, so mine started working almost immediately after I gave it a nice clean and put things back together. It started working immediately. Don't be worried about this. I got a little paranoid the first time. I contacted the dealer, and the dealer had to ask around and get back to me. But this time it's just a piece of cake. No problems at all. I knew what to do immediately. So if this helped, it helped. That's all there is to it for this video. Both the Himalayans being worked on, and I went in with a nice TRM Calidad yellow shine spray just to go with the radiator hoses. Yeah, they look cool. You also get to know when your chain lube has worn out, or it's done its job and it's disintegrated. So a nice smart approach. Don't really like flashy colors, so I just went in with a mild coat, but I'm sure complements the hoses. Okay, so if this helped in any which way, it helped. Ben signing out for now. Ciao.